Hi everyone. Today I am going to give some important questions which are useful for Sunday's live. The topic is about computer science and technology. Now I am going to read the questions. I am starting with computer. The AI stands for artificial intelligence. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. AMD Advanced Micro Devices. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Basic stand for BASIC. Basic stands for Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BCD stands for Binary Coded Decimal. BIOS BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. BIPS stands for Billions of Instructions per Second. BPI stands for Bytes per Inch. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. CAE stands for Computer Aided Engineering. CAN stands for Campus Area Network. CASE stands for Computer Aided Software Engineering. CD stands for Compact Disc. CDC stands for Control Data Corporation. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. COBOL COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CRT stands for Cathode Ray Tube. DAT stands for Digital Audio Tape. DBMS stands for Database Management System. DBS stands for Demand Based Switching. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. DDS stands for Digital Data Storage. DEC stands for Digital Equipment Cooperation. DMA stands for Direct Memory Access. Next, DNA stands for Digital Network Architecture. DRAM, DRAM stands for Dynamic RAM. DSN stands for Distributed Systems Network. DTS stands for Digital Theater System. DVD stands for Digital Video or Versatile Disc. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. EPG stands for Electronic Programming Guide. EPIC stands for Explicitly Parallel Instruction Computing. Next, EPROM stands for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. FAT stands for File Allocation Table. FDM stands for Frequency Division Multiplexing. Next, FM stands for Frequency Modulation. FMS stands for File Management System. Next, Fortran, FORTRAN stands for Formula Translation. Next, FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. GB stands for Gigabytes. Next, GPRS stands for General Packet Radio Service. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. Next, GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Next, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transport Protocol. IBM stands for International Business Machine. IC stands for Integrated Circuit. IDN stands for Integrated Digital Networks. Next, IP stands for Internet Protocol. ISDN stands for Integrated Services Digital Network. Next, ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. JRE stands for Java Runtime Engine. JSP stands for Java Server Pages. KB stands for Kilobytes. LAN stands for Local Area Network. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. LPM stands for Line Per Minute. LSI stands for Large Scale Integration. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. MB stands for Megabytes. MIPS stands for Millions of Instructions per Second. MPEG stands for Moving Pictures Experts Group. MS-DOS stands for Microsoft Disk Operating System. MVT stands for Multi-Programming with Variable Tasks. NIC stands for Network Interface Card. NICNET stands for National Informatics Center Network. NOS stands for Network Operating System. OMR stands for Optical Mark Reader. OS stands for Operating System. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. OSS stands for Open Source Software. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. PC stands for Personal Computer. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. PDL stands for Program Design Language. PDP stands for Program Data Processor. PIP stands for Peripheral Interchange Program. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. SDLC stands for software development life cycle. SGML stands for syntax for generalized markup language. Syntax for generalized markup language. Next, SNA stands for systems network architecture. Next, SQL stands for structured query language. SRAM stands for static RAM. TB stands for terabytes. TCP stands for transport control protocol. TDM stands for time division multiplexing. UDP stands for user datagram protocol. Next, ULSI stands for ultra large scale integration. UPC stands for universal product code. URL stands for uniform resource locator. USB stands for universal serial bus. UTF stands for Unicode transformation format. WAN stands for value added network. VCR stands for video cassette recorder. VDT stands for video display terminal. VGA stands for video graphics array. VOD stands for video on demand. VSAT stands for very small aperture terminal. WAN stands for wide area network. WAP stands for wireless application protocol. WLAN stands for wireless local area network. Next, WWW, 3 W's stands for World Wide Web. XHTML stands for Extendable Hypertext Markup Language. Next, XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. So these are the questions for computer, and now I will be giving the questions for science and technology. I am going to start now. Science and technology questions. First one, which device is used to study the way an object behaves when the air flows over it? Answer, wind tunnel. The part of a computer that shows visual information on a screen. Answer: Visual Display Unit. Short form of it is VDU, Visual Display Unit. Next, what are the machines used to check the progress of unborn babies still in the mother's womb? Answer: ultrasound machines. Next, a type glass that is highly resistant to heat. Answer: borosilicate glass. Borosilicate glass. Next, the process of killing diseases producing microorganisms in food items by heat. Answer: pasteurization. Next, tuberculosis is caused by. Answer: bacteria. Next, which country in the world has maximum number of robots working? Answer: Japan. Next, what is the name of the instrument that measures wind speed? Answer: anemometer. Next, a device used to measure the strength of magnetic field. Answer: magnetometer. Next, a strip of flexible plastic with magnetic coating that is used to record sound and pictures. Answer: magnetic tape. Next, a method of growing plants without soil. Answer: hydroponics. Next, electricity produced from falling water. Answer: hydroelectricity. Next, the fear of being out of mobile phone contact is known as. Answer: nomophobia. Next, in which year did IT Act came into force in India? Answer: 2000. Next, a new technology which provides the ability to create an artificial world and have people interact with it is called. Answer: televirtuality. Next, the device used for locating submerged object under sea is. Answer: sonar. Sonar is the object. Next, the working of rockets based on principle of. Answer: conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum. Next, the pollutants which move downward with percolating groundwater are called. Answer: leaches. Leaches. Next, Hasto Valley in Chhattisgarh is famous for. Answer: coal mine. Coal mines. Next, special theory of relative was proposed in. Answer: 1905. Next, black hole is an object to be found. Answer, in the sky. Next, Irradian is dash degrees. Answer, 57.3 degrees. Next, fraction of volume of ice seen outside when immersed in water. Answer, 10.5%. 11th, next question. The disease bronchitis is associated with, answer, lungs, bronchitis. Next, which color indicates highest temperature? Answer, dull red. Next, persons sitting in an artificial satellite of the earth have dash weight. Answer, 0 weight. Next question. Light year is, answer, the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Next, liquefied petroleum gas LPG is mainly a mixture of, answer, propane and butane. Next, the ozone layer lies in the dash. Answer, stratosphere. Next, most of the light rays inside a tube light is in the form of, answer, ultraviolet light. Next, which is the alkaloid that contains in cool drink? Answer, caffeine. Next, the device used for detecting even feeble current. Answer, galvanoscope. Next, anemometer is an instrument used for measuring, answer, wind speed. So these are the questions for you for Sunday's live. That is the last contest for all the live shows. So we will be announcing the winner also on that day itself. So please be prepared with questions. So thank you and all the best for all of you. Bye for today.